Hello, in front of me I've got LENOVO K6. Today I'll show you all unlock methods. So let's go to settings and find security. Enter it and let's tap on screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 options: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with swipe. As you can see, to unlock your phone you have just to swipe up. Next one is pattern. Set your pattern and then use it to unlock your phone. And last two ones are pin and password. They are pretty similar, but in password we've got characters and numbers, in pin we've got only numbers. So let's go to password straight. Okay, so that was the standard lock screen methods. Let's go to fingerprint. Confirm it with your current password, and as you can see, fingerprint sensor is right here. Tap sensor multiple times. Okay, now when fingerprint is added, we can unlock it very fast. And that's it for all unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.